Pau at Laris, totoo ang forever. But remember, you have to remember that forever is not perfect. Forever is a kind of relationship that both of you should work for. Tandaan nyo, forever sometimes is painful. Forever sometimes is difficult. Forever sometimes is sad. Forever sometimes is filled with problems and challenges.
And games that never amount to more than they're meant will play themselves out. Take this sinking boat and point it home.
Laris, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Pau na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Pau, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Laris na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father!
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. My wood falling, spirit soaring. I touched the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Pau, tandaan mo, handang isakripisyo ni Clarice ang lahat kasi pinipili ka niya.
Find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul is on the wings of forever. Find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your love again, and my soul is on the wings of forever.
Pinipili ka niya at gusto niyang sabihin sa lahat kung ikaw ang kabayaran ng pangarap niya, kung ikaw ang makukuha niya, sulit na ang lahat. Kasi sabi niya, ramdam niya na mahal mo siya.
Sky